Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play World of Tanks on PC. First, you'll need to download the game client directly from the official World of Tanks website. Once downloaded, install it and create a free Wargaming Net account. This account will be your gateway to the battlefield. After logging in, complete the interactive tutorial. It's a fantastic way to grasp the fundamental controls and game mechanics. Then, select your preferred nation and tank type to start your exciting journey. Understanding the basic controls is crucial for success. You'll use the W, A, S, D keys to move your tank forward, backward, and to steer left or right. Aiming your gun is done with your mouse, and a simple left click will fire your main cannon. For those critical, precise shots, zoom in using your mouse scroll wheel or by pressing the Shift key. Remember to always use the environment, like buildings or hills, for cover to shield your tank from incoming enemy shells. World of Tanks features 5 distinct tank types, each with unique roles. Light tanks are your scouts, using their speed to spot enemies. Medium tanks offer a balanced approach, adapting to various combat situations. Heavy tanks are the armored giants, leading the charge and absorbing damage. Tank destroyers, or TD, deliver devastating long-range fire from concealed positions. Finally, artillery provides indirect fire support, targeting enemies from afar. Understanding these roles is key to team victory. As you play, you'll earn experience and credits, which are vital for progression. Use these to research and acquire new, more powerful tanks. Don't forget to upgrade your tank's modules, such as the gun, engine, and tracks, to significantly boost its performance on the battlefield. Training your crew is also essential, as their skills directly impact your tank's capabilities. Always remember to cooperate with your team, communicate effectively, and adapt your strategy to the ever-changing battle conditions for victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.